So one of the new things we were able to bring to the show this year is a DJI T50. This is a spray drone, and we've been watching this space for a while, and it's kind of interesting now to see these products maturing to the point that we can see them starting to actually maybe make sense for an average farmer. If you've flown a hobby drone before, flying one of these is actually strikingly similar. The software and the control experience is very much the same, but in operation, you're going to go out and do a field boundary, much like you would do with a GPS monitor on a tractor, and then that will create AB lines back and forth across your field in order to apply spray through the just shy of 10-gallon tank that's on here, or dry hopper as well that can be installed on it. But as the operator of one of these, you are hustling. Well, you have 10 gallons in there, the drone is returning back to you every couple of minutes, and you're refilling it again from a nurse tank. So you're actually able to cover, an efficient operator can do 200 or 300 acres in a given day if you're really staying after the drone and keeping it in the air. Really, the biggest obstacle to adoption for these right now is paperwork, right? It is working through all the things that the FAA requires for commercial drone certifications. This has a tail number like an airplane does. You need some medical certifications in order to operate it. So there is a lengthy paperwork process to go through to actually be able to fly one on your farms.